Like what you
Somebody says something, I will finish it.
I have only like one question.
Hello. Apparently, for some weird reasons, my audio is not popping up on next stream. Give me a few minutes. I think all of you have almost joined. Some people just left the venue offline menu and just went back home. So just send them off. Yeah, it worked. Okay, awesome. Welcome to the last day of AI Mayhem, where we go through all the demos and we check what has everyone built. We have got extremely crazy. Some people have actually put in some time and really built cool things. The first demo that I could get my hands onto was Sam Christian's. He also did really well with what he built. Uh, I start with showing some of the menus. Before that, everyone who's ready with the presentation, I would ask you to come one by one and present your demos here. A great experience for you as well. And second, we'll be able to judge yours faster. I'm sorry about it. Yeah, Pradyumna, can you go ahead and start presenting your?
Yeah, 1 second. My laptop is switching on to
Sure.
my mobile.
If you want, you can check your live stream on this.
Do that.
Where is it?
Go to youtube.permissionless, youtube.com. Working, no? Pradyumna, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Also, have you sent your this in the group?
Yeah, I've sent my loom and the code
Got
to
it.
send.
It's with Gausia. Is that you?
हाँ भाई वही है, वो मेरा है.
अच्छा, आपका है वो. Who would be going next after Pradyumna? Do you have Adarsh, if you can? Hey Adarsh, would you be able to go after Pradyumna?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm ready.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, we are almost ready. Fuzlan will present.
Hey Roshan, hey.
Hey, hi Kevin, hi. Thank you for joining in.
So, hey everyone. So, me and Fuzlan have built the policy chatbot. It is about the bound. It is we took the bounty. The bounty was AIX governance, so where we had to educate people on government policies. So we built a chat box where when you give the input of your situation or ask about any new or old policies, the AI will go through the PDF which we have given it, which it uses as the data, and then goes next slide. So we have used Python for our backend, and then we have used Llama Index as our main library. This library acts as the wait, give me a second. It acts as the main retriever, and we have used ChatGPT as our LLM. And then we used a Python library called Streamlit for our front end. Next slide. So this is like how the UI will be. So tell me about agriculture policies. It goes through the document which you have given, and then it looks at that part of the thing, and then gives us the input based on it. We are using RAG functionality. This is how it works. So when the user asks the query, it goes to a retriever. The retriever searches the data source which we are given, and then it gives the LLM the query and the text, and then the LLM will generate the response for us. So so as I mentioned before, we have chosen the AIX bounty, AIX governance bounty, and then since we are using RAG functionality, the same code can be reused. Only thing is we have to provide different data sources, and this will allow us to interact with both structured and non-structured data.
Can you show your demo once again?
Okay. Fuzlan, do you have it ready? Can you give us some time? I don't think so. His code is open. I'll ask him.
हाँ it's ready भाई वो तो ready पे है लेकिन
Okay.
we lost the API key means it's
We need
saying
a
API key error we need API key
GPT API key.
हाँ हाँ
yeah.
हाँ
You have a recorded video of your demo, right?
Yeah.
we
We
have.
do.
Okay. Okay. Great presentation, guys. Good job. Good job,
Thank you very
Pradyumna. Good job, Islam.
Thank you.
Yeah, great. Good going. We'll have to like sit on this because same people, a lot of people have made the same track, AI governance, the education thingy. So we'll listen to everyone and then come to a conclusion. I think it's time for others to go. Others, welcome to the stage. Please take over the stage.
Yes, Roshan, I'll just
Yeah,
share my screen in some time.
sure. Sometime as in right now, right?
Yeah, just two
Sure,
minutes.
sure.
So yes, it's ready. My demo is ready. I'll share the screen.
Please do.
My voice is actually getting echoed. Yes. Okay. So one of the challenges that I had solved in this AI Mayhem hackathon was this Zozo World AI assistant to help the customers online. And this is my representation of the solution. So I've made Zoda and I've trained it on the raw data that I acquired from the Zo executives that was in the form of PDF and text files. And this is then a proprietary in-house data set that I trained Zoda upon. So this was the unstructured kind of data, and then I structured it using the unstructured library in Python. So after structuring the text, all the text gathered from those files, I split it into multiple chunks and I introduced an overlap between those chunks to maintain the context between all the files and the continuous sentences. So the next step was to actually create the text embeddings to create the string data into a numerical form, and that was done using the sentence transformers library. And then I stored that text embeddings into a vector database, which would be later used to perform a similarity search with the user's query. And hence, this was all created using the LangChain framework in the Python programming language. And after all this, backend API was created to interact with the front end. And whenever the user would post its query on the front end, the query would actually uh, will be passed on to the backend API, and then the text query will again get converted into a text embedding because computers don't understand string. And after the text embedding is generated, it is actually compared with the vector with the data into the vector database. So the coordinate system will be applied there, and cosine using cosine similarity, the most similar uh, text according to the user's query will be responded from the vector database. So now this embedding goes to the LLM, which is OpenAI ChatGPT API here, and this LLM would phrase the response in a certain way that I have trained it upon using the prompt engineering, and this will generate a response. So the response will be shown here, like I am, a, if we ask him that I am a founder member at Zold. So now it's just a brief introduction as per the user to Zoda, and it will generate a response and actually save it into its memory in the form of question answer pairs into a memory file to to gain the context, like what the user is and according to user ID. Now it has my context that I am a founder member. I need a room. What is the price of it? So I haven't given any context that I am a founder member at Zoworld or anything. But as per the memory it has stored in the file, it will reach out to the memory and then compare for what actually is the price of a room for a founder member of Zoworld, and it will respond accordingly.
Okay.
So this was the response generated by Zoda, and it is actually correct as per the data, as I will show you.
Okay, one second. I have a question in this.
Yeah,
So
sure.
you have already put that you are a founder at Zoworld, okay, and then you
In the
ask,
first
yeah,
prompt, yes.
and so that has been saved into the memory, right? Say it 1 second. I'll have to first finish this. So you basically have put that I'm a founder member at Zoworld. It says yes, Zozo. I need a room. What is the price of it? Then it goes on to list tell you that the private room for a non-founder member is 5,500, and for a dorm it is 1,500. Don't you think there's some mismatch?
Yes, it is actually a mismatch. I asked it about a founder member.
Yeah.
So we'll again ask it about the founder members room price.
Which API are you using? 3.5.
Yes, 3.5 actually.
Okay. I think one more thing is conversation continuation. Overall, like great work. I'm just like
Actually, it was stored already, some memory stored here. So I guess that's what it accessed to, and that's how it came into conclusion that I must be a non-founder member. That's why I guess this
yeah. One more
the
thing is
response.
conversation continuation.
Yeah.
For example, if like somebody comes out and says that hey, I'm Zoda, I assist you today, and he puts out that I'm a founder member at Zoworld, it should not end at yes, Zozo. It should like actually take the conversation ahead that yeah, hey, thank you for
Yeah.
saying okay, and then how can I help you? I can help you with bookings and this and that. Get me?
Absolutely correct.
Something that you have to work on. Okay?
Yes, sure.
Great.
So
Please continue with your presentation.
yeah, so this was actually the implementation of Zoda and the Zo AI, Zo World AI Assistant. and this now ends here. And I've also worked on a second project, that is Jenny.
Hmm.
I will actually start there.
नहीं रहने दो चलो.
So this is how I worked upon Genie, which is a finance assistant appointed by the government for the students, and this will help students in their financial decisions or to educate them about any kind of finances. If we ask them like, what are stock market trends? So the Genie, the training process was very much similar to that of Zoda. It's just like that. Genie does not have memory as of now, and the overall process was pretty similar to it. So it can fetch the response from the backend API, and the process goes on this like similarly, and it will generate a response.
So again, have you used any PDFs for it to like train it?
Yes, for now I have used websites like Wikipedia, Investopedia to gather the financial information about personal finance, corporate finance, and stuff like that. And we can actually implement web scraping and data collection technologies to regularly update this raw data set here to continuously train this upon the RAG data.
Understood. Great.
So this is the kind of response Gini generated, and this is doing that you had pointed out earlier, like to explain about its the user's query first, and then suggest some questions in the further conversation to keep it going.
Right.
So these are the challenges I have solved here.
Got it. No, pretty good work. Others, good job that you were able to fit in like trying to do.
Thank you.
That's really good. Okay, this is Ginny.
Yes.
Okay, can I ask a question, Adarsh, to you?
Yeah, sure.
You use something called vector database. Actually, I don't know what it is. So, can you show me how it works in your code right now?
Absolutely. So I will actually go through the code now. This is where I will use the vector database. So here the model documents are loading that were stored in the source documents directory.
Okay.
After getting loaded, it is creating a vector database, that is index files. I've used ChromaDB here. That is a kind of that is one uh, one library that solves the problem of this vector, storing into the vector databases. And
Okay.
there are many more vector databases like Files and Quadrant, and also one more is there, Pinecone. which
Oh.
traffic is paid, and etc. That's how databases work. Like the basic problem they are solving is that once we convert our text raw data into this sentence embeddings, right?
Oh, yeah.
So we have to store these embeddings. These embeddings are very important to get the response very similar to the user's query, right? User's input. So
Yeah.
we have to store each and every embedding of our raw data into a vector database to persist it, so that it can help us to get the most similar response based on the user's sentence query. So that's how I have used this vector database.
Okay, so this also stores the memory that the previous user has asked, right? Right, the query.
Jenny is not right now storing anything
No, no, I
other than the
asked.
vector database.
No, I asked about the previous one you created too, right?
Yes,
Before
yes,
you said
yes.
that it was storing the data. So this one is also used to store the data.
This is storing the vector database. This
Okay.
is not storing the user's conversation as per
No,
the user ID.
I just wanted to know that it can also store and it can also
Absolutely,
show that.
absolutely.
Yeah, okay. That's what I wanted to know. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
similar to like Pine code that you use an API to call it, so that it can be
Absolutely.
saved with that.
Yes, definitely. That's
Okay.
the thing.
Yeah. Thank you for clearing it.
Yeah. So any other questions from any other team member? I'm ready to answer it.
No, overall, I think Zoda was really good, but I think Zoda, Genie, though, let's say that compared to like what others are have built right now, we can see a lot of improvement in this. What we can do with the kind of PDF selection and stuff like that, more customizability. One, Zoda
Yeah.
was in terms of implementation really good, but it needs to have conversation continuation. So we'll get to that.
Correct, correct.
Yeah, but yeah, overall great. This is also going on to the Twitter thread for sure.
Thank you so much. I'll actually uh, process that constructive feedback about the products and definitely work on it.
No, definitely. See, the thing is, since you have started the bounty, I want to make sure that the bounties get distributed to everyone who's able to complete the project in the way the person who's given the bounty wants. So what we'll do is that we'll basically continue doing it, okay, with some like
Definitely.
incentivization here and there. So that would be a great start for you to like actually get into the market as well. So that is what my thinking process is right now. Even though, see, the thing is, even I understand that some projects will take some time to like complete essay. So I'm ready to give that as well. Not an issue. So good job.
Yeah, you're
Good
right.
job, others.
Thank you so much.
I think next we can go ahead with Kushal. Are you ready?
I'll join.
Before that, is anyone else ready here? I think Sam and Kevin were like born ready.
Could you just give us some time?
Acha. Okay. So I think Kushal will go next then.
Should I go in a different room or? So hello everyone, I'm Kushal. I'll be uh, working on. I've worked on two projects, two bounties. That is, one is a AI degen analyst bot and the habit tracker. So let's go with the first one. You can see my screen, right? So let's go. Yeah. So this is the diehard degen bot which I made. It's your trading technical analyst assistant. So first, the tech stack which I used was basically Python and OpenAI API and the Binance API to get fetch all the market data of a particular token. So, so what we do is the user comes in and queries the bot. He can ask either portfolio analysis or just a regular token technical analysis in the real time. So when the user queries the bot will fetch the API and get all the details and send those details to the AI model, and the model will give you a detailed technical analysis whether if the token is in overbought zone or over sold zone, where you can take your calls from there. And here are some use cases. So first is basically what I told real-time crypto market analysis and a scheduled analysis report where weekly or monthly we can fetch uh, 2 to 3 tokens in our watch list and get a detailed analysis about it. Then next is a custom interval analysis, same as the market analysis as I told, and alert on technical indicators. Let's see if there is something called as MACD and RSI, where you take your calls based on that. So if the particular indicator hits a target, it will send a notification in the Telegram or in the group or anywhere you want. So then we have portfolio analysis where you can send your weights of your each token that you have in your this thing, portfolio, and it will give a analysis of your portfolio regarding based on your goals and your risk tolerance. And yeah, and it can also be used for educational insights for the beginners, new traders, where each indicator will be properly, thoroughly explained, and we have market comparison reports too, where what do you see, compares two cryptocurrencies and stuff. So that's it. I'll show you the demo right now. So yeah, so here you can see I queried a bit before. So let so here let me just query that. So this will get the data of 15-minute interval of the BTC USDT ka this thing, uh, chart, and it will take some time. But before that, let me show you how this properly gives you.
Can you show all the commands?
Oh, sure. We have uh, 3 commands right now. One is a hurdle, which is hold on to your DLF if you don't know that, and which basically means your portfolio analysis, uh, keeping in mind that you are in the long run and you have a risk tolerance of moderate right now. So that's that. Then we have trading, where you are a short-term trader and you are ready to take high risks, but also at the same time you need to focus on the selling and stuff. So so I have asked the indicator right now. Let's see if I got the result. Yeah, I got it. So here you can see the provided technical indicators here, analysis of the potential risk associated with the risk token. So I'm using RSI, MACD, and few other stuff like Williams R and Bollinger Bands, which will fetch the 2 to 14 days interval it will take, and it will give you a detailed analysis. So here we can see it's an overbought or oversold region. Uh, says close to zero, indicating potential oversold conditions. Price momentum, which is also very important while putting your call or put options, showing a bullish momentum. So that basically shows a bullish momentum right now, and volatility. Wider spread and high volatility. So we have a little bit of high risk right now. So this is that. Then we have portfolio analysis. Let me show you that. So portal, you have to put portal and your portfolio like this. Let's say you have Bitcoin at rate 40% and have Bitcoin 40%, and I can't provide you any technical indicators. You can provide if you want, which will furthermore increase the accuracy of the analysis. So have 4 right now. So let's see. I have asked it before, so we can check on the thing right now. Let's see if it works.
I had a question. I
Uh-huh.
think my question is audible there. I hope it is audible to them as well.
Okay.
So one main thing is, so if I put my in like the ticker that I want, which is BTC USDT, 15 minutes, you just show the analyst what is happening there.
Yes.
So is it querying the coin market cap API?
Binance API.
It's querying the Binance API and it is returning the stuff to you.
Whole historical data. Then we use I use technical analysis library from Python.
So before that, I want to like tell you some things. Binance give you query the data which is on listed on their chains?
Yes.
Okay, so this is not degen.
How is
Yeah.
okay?
So coin market cap gives you the data of all the listed tokens, which are like not even some of them are not there on Binance and stuff like that, not on central exchanges. The degening happens on this like DEX and all this kind of stuff. So like just keep that in mind. So is the are we using Langchain in the background for tooling? How are we doing the querying and
The for it's quite funny actually because I'm a guy who doesn't like to spend that much money. So I found a open source library for GPT, so which can query GPT 3.5 or any other model for free right now. So I'm using that right now. There's no LangChain, nothing. It's just barebone. It's like you're putting into ChatGPT, and that's what I'm getting down.
so is it is the data correct?
Yes. The data is fetched from Binance. The reason I chose Binance was most traders trade there, and you can also it's accurate and relevant to you. That's what I'm
I'm
trying
saying
to
like
say.
is it does the tool, the library, go ahead and like check on Binance's API and then result and then give you back?
Yes, that's what.
Do you have put Binance's API key as well
Yes,
into
yes.
that tool to the library? Okay.
The Binance API. So that's what I'm doing right now. So the Binance API, the technical analysis, and the ChatGPT is the thing which I'm combining.
So you'll have to do this one thing is instead of Binance, you'll have to go ahead with coin market cap. So only then this is kinda like what exactly is needed. Because you have to specify coin market cap API and equal can all the other things.
So
So these are the two things you have to add, okay? Otherwise it's cool.
cool. So it is in Chinese because due to this thing, the open source library is a little bit buggy right now. So that's what it does. But it's accurate, I believe, if you just Google Translate it or something like that. But so that's that for now. Should I move on with the second project?
Yes, please.
Sure. So, let's see. So the second project which I built was a habit tracker. So habit tracker. So we all want habits, like how James Clear and Naval also said that you can build your life to next levels with habits, the habits which you have, the habits which you lose also. So that's what that's my main motive for right now. So I've used Next.js for building the front end and the basic backend, Superbase for database, and ShatCN for my UI library, and Wasl for hosting, of course. This is a very bare, simple project. Now here is the user flow. So the user onboards. Now he comes and creates a habit. Now the habit can be either the habit which he wants to lose, that is a bad habit, let's say smoking or any of those things, or a good habit which he wants to like say meditating, which he wants to grow upon. So after he does that, after he creates 2 to 3 habits or something like that, he comes and logs each and every day. So whether he did whether he got how many times did he meditate, or how many times did he smoke, or how many times did he all those that. And with that logging data, we give you a score based on that. So uh, the score and proper statistics where how many times did you did this, and what's your most logged habit and everything. The main reason why I do this is to keep a track of your good habits and motivate you to do more. And as in for bad habits, let's say, so if you see how many times you smoke in just 1 week, you'll have that guilt trip feeling that saying that, dude, I need to stop or I'll be ruining my life, right? So that's what the main user psychology I'm trying to target. So that's that. I'll show you the demo right now. Yeah. So this is the you all can check this thing the code. You guys can check it out too. I'll put it in the chat box. It's posted on Vadassery right now. So yeah, once you go to the dashboard, so you will create a new habit. Let's say I wanna meditate. Okay. So this is a demo, right? So we already have few habits and meditation. I want to meditate 5 minutes a day, which is basically nothing, but for this
Fine.
thing, let's keep it like that. And is it a good habit or not? So it's obviously a good habit. So let's say, so this is how the user interface looks. Now, every day the user, as I said, every day the user comes and keeps a track. Let's say I smoke twice and consumed alcohol once and overspending once, and I did 2 of my exercises and read 5 books and meditated twice. So with this logging in data which we collected right now, gives you this analysis right now. So we have, since this is our first day, it has a current streak which also motivates you to keep the good habits on track and also motivate you to do more. So we have 12 logs. Our most log is reading books, which is good, and least logs is overspend. Now this is the score which I give to based on your logging habits. So we had gained 96 points just by doing good habits, but we lost 80 of those due to our bad habits. So you will have this guilt tripping where you want to pursue to get higher scores, and in order to do that you need to lose your bad habits, and that's how we motivate you to lose your bad habits. And here this chart shows you the how many logs of good habits did you do in your history, like since you signed in. So and this also does the same but for bad habits. Now this shows the how many the logging statistics, where how many times did I smoke and how many times what what am I spending most time on, and this is the how many times did I log, the chart, heat map chart. So this is a very simple habit tracker which I built. So this is that, and as far as moving on to the next part is the roadmap which I want to have. I want to build this more and keep it open source and stuff to, because building habits and getting better in life should be accessible to everyone. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to build. So I'm planning to add a leaderboard where each user can show off their get motivated by others to pursue to get better in life. Now this unique other feature is called club feature, where other people with the same habits that they are trying to lose or gain, you can join those clubs and also chat with them and you know uh, keep compete with them too, which in order again improves the user at the same time. And the reward system for users where like badges, let's say you completed milestone of say meditating the whole week, the whole month, will give you a badge on your profile, and which again is a good thing to have and also feels good to achieve something. And story space is like a blogging area where you can share your stories about how you built this habit and how it affected you in your life, and how you quit smoking and how it got better, made you better in life. So this is my roadmap for now. So I'm looking forward to build this. So
Can you put on mute? Big round of applause for Kushal. Superb, good job. Great projects, great UI, great everything. Good presentation also. Very good, bro. That's awesome. Looking forward to like get this completed as well. Do you all have any questions for Kushal? I think you should have some. really great presentation. I think.
Can this dashboard be applied in real time, as in mobile software like that?
So this is a progressive web app. So basically, you can access it at anywhere. Let's say you can just install it on your desktop or open it on your phone and also install it.
No, I actually accessed it from my phone only, but I'm asking, is it can be converted as an app or something?
Uh,
Because it's beautiful. It worked superb. That's why I'm asking.
Good problems to have. Yes, yes. Please, please.
so this is a progressive web app. Basically, that means you can download this web page as your.
Can you just open your mic? I can't hear you.
Oh, okay. So this is a progressive web app. Basically, that means is that this the web app will you can download it just by clicking on this install, and you'll have it on your this thing. So you can access it on your desktop or your mobile or any other devices which you have. And since it's like synced into your Google account, so you can keep track anywhere you want. That's what I did it in this. So you can access it on multiple platforms as well. The PWA feature is the key feature where you can access it anywhere. So
Okay, thank you. That's all.
your questions.
I think great. Good job, bro. Nice one. Nice one. Either say. See, for people who are IRL, handshake. Special handshake.
I'm right next to you.
Yeah. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. We'll move on to I think is Sam and Kevin ready? Jaini, yes, Jaini. Nikita also. I think we'll start with
Hello.
Jaini. Yes, Jaini. Jaini, you are on mute right now.
Yeah, am I audible now?
You are. You are.
Hi guys. So I'm here with my teammate. She's right beside me, so she didn't join separately.
No problem.
Hi Roshan, this is Satya.
Hi, Satya. Nice to meet you.
So our bounty was government policy generated AI. So let me just share my screen over here.
Sure.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
So for this chatbot, we have used a platform. Sorry, one second. So here we have used a platform called BotPress. It's a no-code website, and so this is the coding we have done, and this is the bot. So this bot not only simplifies the financial policies or use the policies, but it rather it also encourages women empowerment. So how does it exactly do women empowerment? Let me just show you over here. I'm just triggering the conversation with the bot right now. So here you can see you have an option called policies for women. Here, as you know, there are a lot of policies by the government for women, especially in the rural areas, and most of them are not aware of such policies. So with this, we want to.
Can you say
we
that
want-
line again? Can you say that line again, please, from the beginning, from the woman part?
Yeah. Okay. So what we want to do more than just telling about policies, financial policies, explaining them. We thought of encourage women, let's educate women about the policies, especially in the rural background. So there are a lot of government policies that people are not usually aware of. And so here, what exactly this does is you can ask the bot about the policies that are available for women in rural area, urban area, or they can just ask what policies that they are eligible to apply. So here, let me just click on policies for women. So here you can see there is an option called rural urban and which scheme am I eligible to apply. So let me just
Sorry, let me just take a look. I'm in the classroom right now, so you might find
No
some
problem. That's
disturbances.
no problem.
Yeah. So here are some rural policies that are available for women. So let me just choose one. So this bot just gave me a brief about this policy or scheme, and I can check my eligibility if I am eligible for the scheme or not. Uh, yeah. So this does more than that actually. As of now, I'm finding a little problem with the token size. While doing the prompts and giving more information, I was out of tokens and I didn't realize that while testing. Yeah. So in case, yeah, so this you are there is a little error over here. It says that you are good to go and the service is paid by this portal. So I can like log into this portal and directly apply for the schemes. So when I say no, I don't want to apply, it takes you back. Yeah, takes you back to the. You can go back to your main page. And here you can see what schemes am I eligible for. You can give your inputs like saying what you are available for. Yeah, as I told, there's a problem with the tokens, so I'm not really able to access the AI part. But there is history like of the what I had ran before. Let me just show you that.
No problem, Benny. Overall, I got an entire view of what you have built. It is really good. And can you give me some good reasons that why did you choose to go with a no-code tool?
I feel I'm so just a little background about both of us. This is our first hackathon, so we were like quite nervous to go into Python coding or something because we were not sure how much time we would take, or we would really meet the expectations. So we thought let's go with no code where we could really understand what we are doing. So that's the main reason why we thought of doing this.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's
So these are the old testing prompts over here.
Hmm.
That they are pure. So one thing about this is that all the answers given by the bot are verified. So the database for this bot is from the government verified database. So let me just show you the database over here. Yeah. Over here, as you can see. So yeah, these are the government verified websites you can see over here. And so these are the financial websites. So all the answers it gives are from these websites. And if in case there are any questions that are not able to answer by the database, the AI is answering. And those AI is also making sure that these answers are verified. If not, it does say in the prompt itself saying these information might have any error. Please go check the info. Yeah, these are the previous prompts. Um, So for this question, I chosen FAQ and it did answer from the FAQ using the database I've given. You can have a conversation with it as normal itself. So and one more thing is that we are quite starting, so we don't know how to much go about it. Yeah. But there is let me just open. Yeah, over here you can see this bot is not only accessed only through the link. So in case if I integrate this bot with my Meta accounts, yeah, Meta business suite account, I can access this from all the Meta based apps like WhatsApp. Here you can see only web chat is available for me as I do not have a account. So I can integrate it with WhatsApp or Telegram or Instagram or all such things, so that it is an easy way of marketing and not marketing, I would say. Educating others. So WhatsApp is profoundly used in most of the platforms. So everybody uses these WhatsApp. So rather than people finding links, so they can go through WhatsApp itself, upload their documents, or upload anything, any table or some policy they didn't understand from WhatsApp itself to understand to simplify these policies.
It's really cool. Good. I'm just like this is This will be the first time that I've seen somebody use like a no-code solution and build something like this really good. Great attempt. It was really good things for the first also, and then like good job, Jenny, and good job, Satya.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great job. I hope that you've learned a few things, and we'll move on to
Yes.
the next teams. Thank you.
Shall we go next?
Yeah, let's go, Sam.
Let me just share my screen.
I think before that, before you do, Sam, 1 second. I think Nikita has something to say. Nikita, do you have something?
Yeah.
Yeah, like I have to present because my teammates want to leave
Okay.
for
Okay,
this.
yeah, no problem.
Nikita, please go ahead. Yes. So you want to present or not? Come online.
Hello?
Yeah, your teammates are here. No, offline.
Yeah, they have to
You
go.
know what? We can see them presenting this also live also here. Do you want to present on the screen? Meet only, na?
I'll be presenting the PPT.
Harsh is here. He's asking that.
Yeah.
All the code. Yeah, okay.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So, this is our project and government policies education AI chatbot. And the tagline we kept is navigate the maze, your AI companion for government policy and tax clerks. So the technology stack goes like we have used the Streamline and PYPDF2 and Phase for the database and LangChain Google Jenny and LangChain community Stephen sentence transformation and LangChain prompt. So it is like stream. Even we use the Streamline one for the framework building into interactive web applications, which is used and in code. Like if I could show you the code, I have the code. Like this is the code. So here Streamline we have used and env, which loads the environment variable like .env and os.env iron and all the PDFs regarding it. And the next is LangChain for the library for embedding and vector storage or chat modules, memory management. The LangChain is being used and the Hugging Face interference for the library and like for language transfer and communication for the database. Like there are many databases like for Proncon and Phase and Chroma. Like we were using Chroma, but we were facing some problems, so we shifted on the Phase. So it is the library similar, which analyzes the question and gives the appropriate answer regarding the question. Like when the text is changing into chunks, so it provides the proper actual answer or according to the questions. And HTML templates for interference UI. The PPT is here. The technology stack which I explained. Second one is the architecture. It is like a user will be uploading all the PDFs. It could be multiple PDF. We have given the access of multiple PDFs. So the PDF will be converted into the text chunks, which will be in the vector text format, and that chunks will be converted in then that these kind of chunks will be convert into the embedding systems, which will be number of representations of text in vector format, and it also lists the all the uh, text into um, sequence format, and this will be storing into the database vector storage, which we have used in the phase one. And whenever the user will be asked any question like regarding any policies of education which government has launched. So so it will help. The database will be helping to analyze the question, and it will be comparing the similar answers which is available in the PDF which we have given you. So so it will be like taking inputs from the database, and it will providing the accurate answer.
Awesome.
And this is the flow of like defining the use case and choosing an exact module or your own prompt, and adapt and align prompt engineering and fine tuning. Then it will be evaluating all and argument module and building the LLM power application, which we had done. The use case is like policy communication for this, and like, it will be accessing the government education rules and chains, and resource access for people and user, whichever people are using or students are using this bot, helps to find the study materials or scholarship updates regarding it, and feedback collections, like we will do the feedback collections for from the major higher uh, authorities, like from the government, or if they'll be using it. And language literacy assistance, like we'll be doing like um, there will be no language barrier, and special education service, and emergency notifications, like if there new policies are coming, so we'll be updating them regarding new
Nikita,
policies.
can we get to the
Yeah.
demo?
Demo, like yes, I have done the demo,
Can you show the
but
demo video?
the
Demo video.
yeah, demo video we have uploaded. Like even I tried to do this on, like when I run the code, but there was some little bit of error. So I started doing the presentation. So the HK and they had done the solution. So they'll be
Nikita,
sharing.
just you share that Loom video.
No video. Okay, okay, fine.
Show that.
We have in the group that Loom video. Okay, good.
Would you be able to?
Yeah, yeah, I. Just a second. Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay, the Loom video is now. Voice is audible or not?
Yes, it is. But video voice is not audible. Is there a voice there? Is it Harsh's voice? Harsh, is that your voice? Yeah, not able to hear the.
Yes, yes.
Can you share the screen, Harsh? I have seen this video. I just want everyone else also to see.
Should I stop sharing screen?
Yeah, I think you should let.
Okay.
Is it audible?
It is not.
So there's a checkbox when you share your screen that says include system audio. But from my experience, it only works when you share one tab.
I have a better idea. Harsh, you'll have to go on mute. And your audio also on mute. Mute your speakers. You know what? I'll just play it. I'll.
Roshan,
Hey guys, my name is Ash and our team name is EXO. We are working on government policy and educational chatbot. So our chatbot name is EduQuiz. Let's see the how our chatbot works. I will add the commands. This is what how our chatbot looks like. First, we will add the files. Whatever user will be providing, that files only we will be adding. It will take a byte time to process the files. Yeah, our file got processed. Now we will ask the questions. What is Indian financial system? So according to users prompt, the chatbot will give answers. So this is the answers it's throwing now.
Can you pause it?
Now I'll break down the code.
So I asked Harsh to pause it. I wanted to understand a few things, Harsh. How? So like right now, if I'm querying something,
Yes.
is it taking the data from the PDF or is it taking from the LLM's memory?
Yeah, both. It will take data from PDF also and LLM also. It will be combined and it will throw best answer or a very accurate answer.
What would be a great example to prove what you're saying?
So we can add a proper prompt which is there in the PDF exact.
Yeah.
Like time, proper mentioned date is there in PDF.
Is
So
it
you can,
is that for the part of the demo?
no, in demo it's not there.
You have to show that to me afterwards, okay?
Okay, fine. But I need a API.
Yeah, whatever. Like after that, you have to show me that how that works. Okay, continue with the demo.
Before that, I will explain how the architecture looks
Just
like.
skip the architecture part.
Okay. Okay, AP. We are using OpenAI API key to get an output, and we are using LLM model and NLM model. So this is how our chatbot works. That's all. Thank you guys.
Okay. Big round of applause for Harsh and the entire team, Nikita and what is your name? Nimit and Abhinav. Nimit and Abhinav, good job, guys. Great. Let's go. One like continuation to this to be like for the bounty and everything. You need to create an interface where there would be multiple policies which you can select.
Okay.
That people can select.
Yeah.
And then when selects, then the conversation starts.
Okay, great.
So we won't like nobody will actually have that PDF downloaded.
Okay.
A good user interface would be that people come onto the platform, they see multiple policies already listed, they click on one policy and then it takes you to that entire summary. So this can also do one more thing. Instead of every time the PDF being processed, once a PDF is uploaded as part of your global in your admin dashboard, you will upload a PDF. At that time, it will do whatever transcription of the PDF and then save it for the end users to go there. And then the user clicks it, does not actually do the process again, PDF process again, just start answering. Okay, this is the next step where we have to take this for everything, for the eligibility of the bounty and everything. Okay, good job. Overall, right now at the education policy part, I think Harsh and team has actually like almost kind of there.
Thank you. Thank you, Chief. And one more thing, like this was my first project on AI, so it has been a great learning experience. And we did it successfully, like we sat at till 3 a.m. or what. We were like on the conversation continuously because we built it from the scratch.
That's really
Thank
good.
you.
I hope you had a great experience. I hope you how to
Yes.
manage a team remotely and everything as well.
Yeah, that's the most
That was the agenda, and I'm
important part.
you're happy. And hopefully, like you're on some of the project that is actually eligible for the bounty somehow, 50%. 65%, I'll say.
Okay.
But yeah, there's some more changes that you have to do that will directly start talking to the bounty givers. And what is the thing that they want to be implemented here, so that we have this communication happening that this is what you need so that you're
Okay.
eligible for the bounty and you get it. Okay. Awesome. Let's.
Okay.
I
Thank
think
you.
you're welcome. I think Nikhil has raised his hand, and then there's Sam, who I've been asking to do. So Sam, you'll have to wait some more time.
So can I also do next?
Piyush, you are a bit late in the line. I'm sorry. I think I'll have to.
Who's next, Roshan? Can we go?
Yeah. I think it is Nikhil, because Nikhil.
That's us only, Team Beetroot.
Yes, Team Beetroot. Guys, big round of applause to Team Beetroot, guys.
Sam, sorry, bro.
Hey,
So
no problem.
Let me share. Okay, screen, right? Yeah. So just let me know when the screen is visible.
It is now.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Zo, GM. So meet Beetroot.so. He's not so neighborhood friendly. He's not at all suitable for work. So what Beetroot does. Beetroot is basically a individualized, personalized, provides personalized experience to guests as well as visitors. Suppose you have some FAQs like I lost my card within the studio. How I do that? Where to find that? You can just intuitively type and it will create your bespoke query based on this thing. And it Beetroot provides you a human-like interaction with humor and all. And last but not least, it helps you to suggest you some salad or like a cold coffee whenever you're in the need. So basically, it creates a profile and creates suggestions and experiences based out of that individually. So these are the interface. You can see the UI. Beetroot is there, and we are logging with the Zo handle as a unique IDs. So it helps you to personalize your individual experience. It can see, and as you can see in the screen, it helps us to soothe the conversation with jokes and all stuff. Yeah, I'll show the demo. So the roadmap is basically the next part is creating a tabletop Beetroot. We couldn't build it because the hardware got stuck, but we tried our best. And once the hardware is cracked, we will go with the open source design and kit so that anyone who's interested will be able to build. And ultimately integrate the AQA monitor, which will monitor the air quality. And ultimately, it will act like an interactive learning tool also. It may help with someone who's not so familiar with blockchain, and it will explain it to you like a 5-year-old. Maybe it will help you with what to do around Zohos. Like, this is the kind of tool that we want to ultimately build. And last but not least, whenever you are having conversation with Beetroot, and like if you feel like you like the joke of Beetroot, only thing that you need to do is double tap Beetroot. It will cast your Beetroot's joke into the forecaster, and it will be casted along with your Zo handle. So Zo handle is not going anywhere. It's there in the cast. So that's it. And let me just show you the demo. Yeah. So, yeah. I hope the screen is visible. This is the home screen.
It is.
Yeah. So once you are in the screen, you can just converse with the Beetroot. It will start act like another person at the end. And yeah. So basically, we are validating with the SO ID so that you can curate the experience and you can unlock the doors only if you have the access. So yeah, if you are interested, you can go to the cryptoswami.in, check in the Beetroot right now. It is live.
Guys, you can check in CryptoSwami also.
Yeah, cryptoswami.in.
Cryptoswami.in.
Yeah, but there's one thing. Try to do it in mobile because it's like we are custom to. Built it like that. And when you are doing, just make sure when you are entering Zozo for the first time, Z is in the full. Capital. So we have still some issues, but we are trying to figure it out.
No, it's fine.
So you can see, yeah, Nikhil is also here from Team Bitroot.
So you can ask any core queries or like fun kind of related. Like see here, like you can ask like hey Bitroot, what's your favorite coin? And it say like it's Ethereum, and all kind of fun jokes and can be done. Or if something informational you want, like say suppose like I brought a friend here. He's not into crypto like Web3 or something. He might need to know like what's NFT, like what's ERC. So Bitroot can answer that in a simple way. So that's one possibility of Bitroot. And what else?
Unlocking the doors, services.
Then what our next thing is like what do you say, like Zo has a like unlocking doors and everything. So we have contacted the tech team, and it's like we are using like a dialogue flow. So if something like from like this, like open the main door of Zo, and if the user is authenticated, we will call an API service to the lock provider like FlexiPass or anything, and it will unlock the door. It's like a parameter. And like, this is like how it's like open source, your door has been opened. And like in future we are planning to do like complete automation of Zobot, like laundry service and everything.
You don't need to wait for anyone to come. Like just say I need to like get my laundry done. Bitroot is there to serve you.
Yeah, this is the software part. The hardware part must be like more interesting.
Yes,
like
yes.
We can do like this is like you tell me a blockchain joke. It like it. And if you tap the double tap on like Bitroot logo, you all of with the Zo handle like Nikhil.zo, it will be your Zo ID will be locally. It will be creating a session storage. So if you like the joke, like you can see all of your colleagues and like friends jokes in Parcast.
So basically, you are interacting with Bitroot and casting your Zo handle to the blockchain basically. So it allows you to have a fun way to interact, and you don't know what's behind. So that's it. That's the Bitroot.so, guys.
Hey, big round of applause. So guys, big round of applause for.
And just before closing, I want to say thanks, like Roshan, Taufeeq, everyone who hosted this thing. It was so much pleasure, like meeting all people over here, and it's like we were offline at the Zo house, the mecca of this thing. So like. Thanks, guys. Zo.
Thank you so much, Swami. Bye. Thank you for your kind words, man. Really means a lot.
Any questions?
Sayyed has a question. Sayyed, do you have a question? You raised your hands.
It was pressed by mistake. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Anyone
if you have
else
any
have any
questions,
questions?
you can ask to Bitroot anyways. No worries.
So for me, this would be like one of the first in the hackathons where we saw character AI being done. So if you all have noticed, other team members, if you have noticed, hackers, Bitroot had a character inbuilt in it. So this is a great way of creating AI as well, where you give it like one particular, you can make it witty, you can make it funny. So although these layers do not, like in the technical papers and all these kind of things, these things are not talked about of making it, giving it a certain personality, but it really helps in the terms of intelligence as well, because it works like a filter. So great job, Swami, by Nikhil, by everyone. It's a really great pleasure to see something like this being built here. Awesome, man. Vansh has something to ask. Vansh, please go ahead.
Yeah, I love the demo. Nikhil, I just wanted to ask, like the responses were generating like way too fast. Are you using Grok or something?
Yeah, it's using ChatGPT 4, and we have hosted in GCP. So we have a great DevOps guy. So we have optimized it very much.
That was some speed, dude.
Yeah, it's speed.
Amazing work.
We are trying to like do this actual speed in like hardware kind of stuff too. So you can actually speak in real time.
So next time when you come to
the
Zo
next time
house,
you will see a Bitroot.
Yeah, in the counter there will be a Bitroot.
Yeah.
You can order me a sandwich Bitroot, and it will bring like they will.
This is
bring
a
it.
long-term project we are having.
So it's like, are you going IoT or something like that?
Sorry, once you are saying.
So yeah, you're going IoT.
Yes, kind of. We had our like in-house hardware engineer, but we couldn't at the last moment. We had a fallout with the components, so we have an in-house hardware engineer. I met through another hackathon only.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's
awesome project.
So right now, to use the platform, how do I log in?
You can use it to anything like
just when you come to the URL, just type Zo Z in the capital. Then you just put some your handle Zo Zoho handle and put some password. Currently, there is no validation. It's just taking it.
Okay.
Then you can chat in the text.
So I've typed yo now. If I'm Okay.
Is
So
it-
right now we are directly querying the GPT-4 API, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Great, good job. Thank you so much. Sami bhai, Nikhil bhai. I hope others do have any questions. The people who built it are right here.
No.
Okay. One thing I had to ask you is that did we give it Zo's context, like the PDFs and everything, Swami bhai?
Actually, no, not much. It's a very basic data set we have. We have to, yes, we have to embed it.
So that would be the next step to take this this ahead, to like
Yes.
actually build how the way Zo wants it in terms of assistants.
So then only it will have that query session also. What if I forgot my card within this thing? Where to find the help for where I can find Chachaji? That like that it should be.
100% those things, small things. But yeah, it makes sense. We need like Zo's context to it. So I think now almost 2 people are eligible 75% for the Zo bounty. I think one is this Adarsh with his Zoda, which has that he has taken the entire context from Zo world this, and we have Bitroot, which has a personality, so it's going to be a bit tough. It does not have that this part. So yeah.
What about auntie?
Which one? Yours is in the governance policy part. Okay, fine. As of now, you are a bit safe. But even you have you are only 75% done. You have to not 75, 65.
You can build more.
But I will directly talk to the bounty people. Yeah. So next, I think Piyush bro will have to wait, bro. Sorry, bro. Sam have called Sam thrice now. Sam, please go ahead.
Hello, hey.
Hi, Sam.
Let me just share my screen. Kavan, you're there?
Hello, hey guys. Sorry, I'm actually running parallel on a meeting, so yeah.
Hey,
I'll be right there, Sam, in case you need.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
So just have a short PPT. So our solution is called Bispots. And we are solving the problem of, we're solving it in the Risachi LoRa training track. And this is the problem statement I think they wanted us to solve, is how we can get businesses to personalize their interactions with their customers and do this in an automated way. So yeah, coming to the solution, we have a web app that we can use to train or fine tune our own model. We have chosen to both go with Llama 3 as well as OpenAI model. This is specifically because so some people might want their bots in bots without the additional hardware requirements. They just want to plug it in their system, call a few APIs, and run it. While other people might be more cost conscious and want to run their own open source model. So we went ahead with both. I went with accommodating both type of customers. Coming to the solution features, these are some of the keywords that we have implemented. RAG. So we are essentially providing context for each and every question that the users might ask, and we are also fine tuning the models that I mentioned before. And how we are doing it is we are generating a custom data set based on the documents that the business has uploaded. So you can see that in the demo. And user-friendly interface, not really, but not yet. That's the next step. And yeah, this the data, the custom data set that's generated, we can even give our own twist to it by modifying some of the questions and answers. So this is how it works. Input, We get the business details and why they want to build the app, and based on that, we are generating a data set. Then users can correct their data, like what sort of answers they want, and whether there's a mistake in the generation. If they want to correct that, they can do that, and then they can submit for model training. And this goes into two parallel places. One OpenAI, and another is Llama. And finally, they have to integrate this solution with their own platform. We actually thought we'll go above and beyond the track and provide a chatbot so that they can test out their solution, but we weren't able to implement that. Tech stack. It's a pretty standard tech stack: Python, Flask, or Torch, Hugging Face transformers for fine-tuning the Llama model, and LangChain. So yeah, here so one of the main thing is we need to implement it with cloud services, so that all of this can happen off cloud, and finally you get the model as a result. And also like an interface for interacting with the fine-tuned models. That was also one thing we planned.
Understood.
So and to conclude, we want to thank Permissionless for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you, bro.
We
Before you conclude, wait. Show me the demo.
Yeah. I'm actually sharing the demo right now.
Yeah.
I don't have it live with me, so we'll
No
be
problem.
going through
Show
the
the
video.
video. Yeah.
Also share audio tab. Okay. Please let me know if the audio is back. I have Kavin.
So hey guys, I'm Kavin and I'm a full stack engineer at Entity Data.
So you're able to hear the videos.
Yes, it is.
What the video says, right? Okay.
And right now I'm interested in AI, crypto, and all these different technologies.
Hello. And we have Pavan with us as well.
Hello guys, I'm Pavan. I'm a full stack developer. I have interest in Web3.
So yeah, coming to our problem statement, we chose to solve in the track of Versace Business LLM. Okay, I think it's repeating what I said. So essentially, this is the front end for creating the data set. So users can upload the data documents of whatever they want, and give it a particular description and purpose. So the questions that are the items that are generated in the next page is based on these two and the document content.
Understood.
Yeah. So right now it does RAG on this document and stores it in a Chroma DB, so that we can access it in the next level while we are training our model.
Understood.
So let me just go.
So you're showing that how it is fine-tuning the model and stuff like that, right? Here.
Yeah, it's happening in the.
Can you show me the chat section where chat happens? I want to see how good are we with the chat.
No, actually, chat we haven't implemented. So what we have is the fine-tuning part.
Okay, so right now the fine-tune happens, but the chat is still left.
Yeah, chat is not.
Yeah.
So it depends on the what sort of chat they use, whether it's OpenAI or Llama 3.
Yeah. So, but the entire this is that just to I'm just, by the way, guys, when you're listening to this, I'm just trying to clarify to give you more direction about what the bounty was and where you are right now. Okay, there's nothing like that. Your projects are lovely, and I personally love it. Everything that you presented in doing these things in 48 hours is crazy stuff. But yeah, so about that LLM LoRa thing, like I told you, one thing is that we need to figure out the Llama stuff. One. Second is that you need to have an interface for the chatbot.
Yeah. Actually, Llama stuff we have actually figured out, like a short, what do you say, Jugad way of fine-tuning our own Llama model. So I have that in this demo here.
Right. Awesome.
So I'll get to that.
Awesome. And the chat interface is the main part, where a business comes onto the platform and gets either a text completion API or a chat interface directly of their fine-tuned LLM, of their fine-tuned LoRa.
Yeah.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
We're on the same page. Okay. So even your project is around 60% completed. We need to like sit with the bounty giver and see what are the things that is this, and we'll finish it off as well.
Cool.
Okay.
So I'll continue with the demo.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Yeah. So here we like fine tune, make some corrections on the data that AI generated for us. So we don't need to do this manually. Whereas in a typical LoRa, we would have to do that manually. So here we train our make corrections in the data, and at the end we just save this data set. Once we save it, our data set gets finalized, and we have the option of either going to OpenAI or Llama 3. So if we here, I'm just going to train it in OpenAI, which is for people who want to have don't want to stick with the hardware part of the solution. So yeah, here we can see this is in our OpenAI dashboard that starts training. So and this will get completed in some time. Yeah. So here is the second part of the solution where we were going for Llama, and since we have like hardware discrepancy on our machine, we are not able to platform discrepancy. Sorry, we're not able to run half of the libraries that are used to fine tune a Llama model on our laptop. It usually requires Linux with higher GPU. So we what we have done is we have created a server that runs out of Collab.
Okay.
And we send our data there, and it fine tunes it for us.
Understood. You have created a server on Collab where you send your data, and it fine tunes it. Fine tunes the model.
Tunes it. Yeah.
Okay, this is all happening on Google Collab only.
Yeah, Llama training is happening on Google Collab, but the other part is happening in our local server.
Right. Why didn't you all think of using Grok API? You know, GROQ. I was like waiting for one person to at least point it out. Grok was available for free for everyone to use. Anyways, let's get on. Let's continue.
So here, once we pass the data here, it starts fine tuning.
Okay.
But this is also we don't have any compute, so we have to refresh the model every time. I mean, refresh the code every time. Refresh the session. So I'll just skip. It downloads the model. Yeah, it prepares the data set in a particular format, and yeah, it starts training. We trained it only for 5 epochs. We'd be sitting at the hour-long video.
No problem. The intent is the most important part, Sam. Intent. Good job.
Yeah. And here we can see the fine-tuned model in a particular path. So the next step would be to write a inference code here.
Correct.
So we can just hit that, and it goes to this particular path, and we can load that model and use it.
100%.
So that was something we didn't have time for it.
No problem. That is 100% the most important step next, which is you need an inference for the model that has been fine-tuned. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So pretty good. Good job, Sam. Good job, Kevin. Good job, Pratham. Good. Pawan. Good job, Pawan. Pawan, Sam, and Kevin. Good job. Superb. Crazy. Let's go, boys.
Amazing time, we had some great time at the place. So yeah, thanks for all the organizing this particular event, and look forward to working with you, I think.
Yeah, definitely. I told you, like, next we have something more crazier coming up, more intense. So
Okay.
this was like if this was a test match, next we'll have a
T20.
Yeah, we'll have a T20.
Wow. Waiting for it badly, man.
Looking forward. Crazy, bro. What I'll do is next for step for you again. I think you are the only team in the LoRa this one. So good job, guys. There. But after this, so once what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to take these demos and we'll sit with the bounty givers and we'll talk to them that who do you think deserves and this and that. It will be a very collaborative thing that I'll decide with them. And then what I'll do is I'll try to like incentivize you with something so that for the work that you have done, and for the like completing the bounty, we'll actually have them to talk to you. Okay, this is what we need next, and this is the stuff that I expect you to do. Okay, so that you can take a day or two more and just complete it for the where they wanted.
Yeah, we are actually already started with the code for the inference.
I knew it, bro. I knew it. You all are very nice. But yeah.
Any questions? I think.
I think. To ask. I think if others should have some questions, guys. They have like implemented LoRa training here, which I think no one has yet. No one has any question. You all have already done it. You all know how to do it already.
No.
Huh?
No, but we are not much interested.
You are not interested in LoRa training. I think like as
they're ready to pay money for open API, then
big rich people, rich kids.
Rich kids.
No problem. I think there is no questions. I think
So,
have popped up.
Thanks everyone.
But good job once again, man. Good job. Looking forward to your completion.
Thank you. Thank you, Roshan.
Let's go ahead with Piyush Bhavsar. Piyush, let's go.
Thank you finally for the opportunity.
Welcome.
Hello. Hi. So let me ask, is Manu here? Hi, Manu. So let me share my screen and we'll start. So a little bit intro about me. Hello, I'm Piyush. I'm 19 years old. I'm Delhi. And this is my first time in Bangalore. And yeah. So I'm audible, right?
Yes, you are.
So yeah. So we were hitting the AI education policy bot. Okay. So yeah, I won't bore you with the tech architecture and all the intricacies that I use. First, I will just move on to the demo. And let me tell you the simple thing. And is it fine if I speak in Hindi?
हाँ बिल्कुल boy.
Yeah. So yeah, I've been working on LLMs models and chatbots for a very long time. And सबसे biggest pain points LLMs, bots, chatbots का क्या होता है? That knowledge cut off. फाइन ट्यून करो, हर बार फाइन ट्यून करो, एक लिमिटेड डेटा का होता है, एक डेट होती है, इतना डेटा डालो, हर बार डेटा डालो. सब लोगों ने डाला भी, सब पीडीएफ डाल रहे चार. But what if I say you कि no more giving data sets, no more preparing data sets, no more knowledge cut off, कोई knowledge cut off नहीं. What if I say you internet is your data set? Use your entire internet as a data set rather than giving 5 PPTs, जो भी तुम internet से लिए 5 PPTs. What if I give my LLM the access of internet? So that is what I have done. I've given internet access to my LLM. वो खुद जाके वो data scrape करता है. So actually I'm a web developer guy also as well as AI developer. मैं दोनों को mix करा. Rather than giving खुद से डेटा सेट बना रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, मैंने बोला कि जा इंटरनेट से खुद डेटा निकाल के ला, वेबसाइट स्क्रैप कर, डेटा जनरेट कर, आरएजी मॉडल क्रिएट कर. वो सारा जो हो रहा है ना कि पीडीएफ के बाद जो भी क्रिएट करना, तो जो पीडीएफ क्रिएशन वाला पार्ट है वो मैंने ऑटोमेट कर दिया थ्रू वेब स्क्रैपिंग. तो फर्स्ट विल स्क्रैप द इंटरनेट, उसका डेटा निकालेगा, टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा, ओनली द यूजफुल टेक्स्ट है ना, पी टैग से, एंड उसको आरएजी मतलब वही सिंपल जो बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं, टेक्स्ट स्प्लिटर, लैंग चेन, आरएजी एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स. तो या तो बेस्ट बेनिफिट क्या है इसका कि एकदम रियल टाइम डेटा. अगर आप पूछोगे ना बिटकॉइन का प्राइस अभी क्या है, ऑब्वियसली बिटकॉइन के लिए नहीं बनाया, बट इवन इफ यू आस्क बिटकॉइन का प्राइस अभी क्या है, तो आपको एकदम एग्जैक्ट डेटा बताएगा. आप पूछोगे कल क्या सरकार ने कल क्या न्यूज निकाली, कल बताएगा. सो ये तो दिस इज द मेन पार्ट मैंने इंप्लीमेंट करा है. एंड सेकंड मोस्ट फन थिंग अबाउट माय बॉट इज मैं ऑब्वियसली आई एम यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी आल्सो, बट मेरा खुद का फाइन ट्यून मॉडल है जो मैं लोकली चल कर रहा हूं, तो नो पेड एपीआई नथिंग. ओके,
so that's the let's see the demo. I'm excited now. You're excited me.
दो चीज और बची है. So yeah, I have used multiple 3 to 4 models. मैं Grok obviously मैं इतना ज़्यादा data process कर रहा हूँ ना, I'm going to like 10 different websites and उसके अंदर multiple pages scrape कर रहा हूँ. So I have like 10,000 lines, इतनी ज़्यादा, and within 2 seconds इसको मैं process कर रहा हूँ. So obviously I need a faster inference API. I'm obviously using Grok use कर रहा हूँ, Mistral use कर रहा हूँ जो मेरा fine tune है खुद के लिए, and obviously Chat OpenAI का 3.5 use कर रहा हूँ. That is the only paid part. and बाकी सारे जो मॉडल है फ्री है and locally trained है. That's it. And a precaution पहली कि वेबसाइट थोड़ा क्रैश हो जाती है, अगर क्रैश नहीं हुई तो मैं लोकली दिखा दूंगा आपको, ठीक है. दिस इज द वेबसाइट shalu.ai.
एक मिनट ऐसे रख उसको shalu.ai पे रखो.
Yes.
एक सेकंड. कंटेंट करना पड़ता है.
Okay. And Shalu, obviously we need also a personality. हम बोर हो गए OpenAI यूज कर करके यार. I hate OpenAI to be very honest. So I am a very big fan of वो ट्विटर वाला Grok. उसकी बहुत एक arrogant personality है. तो इसको भी शालू को मैंने एक फीमेल फेमिनाइन पर्सनालिटी दी है. सो या So let's try this. This is Shalu. बहुत जल्दी बनाया है. तो let's say आपको जानना है आवाज योजना. And this is the magic happening. बैकएंड पर आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. इसने सारा देखो आपके सामने रियल डेटा साइट्स हैंडल कर रहा है. विकिपीडिया, ग्रो, गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट से देखो कितनी स्पीड है इसकी. Because obviously I'm using Grok. Okay. And you have your answer here इतनी जल्दी.
एक सेकंड ब्रो, एक सेकंड ना ब्रो, एक सेकंड ना, एक सेकंड.
Yes.
तो अभी अपन ने क्या पूछा उसको? आवास
योजना. या दिस इज आवास योजना में गूगल
पॉलिसी वो पीएम का.
अरे ये देखो ना, ये इसने सोर्स भी दी कि कहां से पढ़ा. कि अगर आपको और पढ़ना है, आपको वेरीफाई करना आवास योजना.
ओके, रियली नाइस.
और तो मुझे ना पीएमएवाई, तो यहाँ पे इसने लिखा है पीएमएवाई. कहाँ लिखा था यहाँ पे? पीएमएवाई. ओके. सो आपको ये सोर्सेज भी दे रहा है कि यहाँ से मैंने डेटा स्क्रैप करके ये वाली वेबसाइट चूज करी मैंने.
अभी जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो लिख सकते हैं अब ब्रो?
जस्ट एक सेकंड, आपको मैं दिखा देता हूं. डेटा सेट्स आल्सो हम रैंडम डेटा सेट्स यूज नहीं कर रहे, हम क्रेडिबल डेटा सेट्स यूज कर रहे हैं. तो गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट्स एंड ऑल दीस वेबसाइट्स. ओके,
वेरी गुड. मैं बोलता हूं ब्रो, मैं बोलता हूं एक लिखना.
एक सेकंड. नेक्स्ट. ओके, थोड़ा सा कंप्लीट कर दो कि इसमें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो कि आपको डीप डाइव करना है सब. अब क्वेश्चन बोलिए आप.
क्वेश्चन है मेरे को.
यस, पूछिए.
फाइनेंशियल पॉलिसी 20 पॉलिसी, सिर्फ पॉलिसी 2024 बजट.
बजट श्योर. लेट्स होप आएगा. आई कांट गारंटी कि फ्रंट एंड क्रैश ना, पर मैं आपको बैक एंड पे जरूर दिखा दूंगा ये. और लेट्स सी ना बैक एंड पे क्या हो रहा है. ये देखिए आपके सामने स्क्रैप कर रहा है. फिस्कल बजट 2024 देखिए आपके सामने स्क्रैप करा. आरएजी मॉडल क्रिएट कंप्लीट हो गया मेरा.
एंड क्रेजी प्रेजेंटेशन है आपका, मजा आ गया ब्रो. क्या एकदम फुल कमेंट्री मेंटेन करके रखा है. एक मिनट ये नहीं छोड़ा है.
ये देखिए
आ गया ना.
Yes, top 2024.
Let's go boys, let's go.
And what if you want to do more? इसके मन नहीं भरा ना. ये देखिए एग्जैक्टली आगे बजट ये सब WIC ये सब 3 बिलियन इतना दिया है. एकदम कंसाइज करके दिया है. क्या पता और पढ़ना है. ये ली फैक्ट शीट.
ये पर हाँ एक ही बात है, इसको मस्त है. इसको पर लगा कि वो यूएस का है, वो अपना मिस्टेक है. मतलब वो क्वेरी का गलती है. स्किल इशू है, नॉट योर फॉल्ट.
एंड और कुछ देखना है. एंड फन फैक्ट दिखाऊं.
शालू खोलो वापस. मैं बोलता हूँ मैं बताता हूँ मुझे क्या आता है रोज. मुझे रोज आता है ब्रो ये सब मैसेजेस. ये एआई बनाओ, मैं बताता हूँ. अब इसमें लिखना कि हाउ कैन आई सेव टैक्स 2024. बस.
और उससे बैकएंड देखते ना क्या हो रहा है. मजा आता है बैकएंड देखने में. कितनी सारी वेबसाइट स्क्रैप करा. मतलब मैं 10 वेबसाइट स्क्रैप कर रहा हूं. आरएजी मॉडल क्रिएट भी हुई थी, जल्दी क्रिएट भी हो गया आरएजी मॉडल मेरा. फिर कंटेंट ग्रॉक में भेज दिया. स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूं ग्रॉक से. ये देखो ग्रॉक से आ गया आंसर. एंड यू हैव योर आंसर.
आ गया. ओहो.
फर्स्ट इफ यू पे टैक्स फेडरल स्टूडेंट लोन अक्टूबर दिसंबर में ये कर लो. एबल टू डिडक्ट इट फ्रॉम टैक्स.
ओह भाई, वेरी गुड. आई थिंक वी हैव someone who has I think 80% completed the bounty and almost the bounty.
क्वेश्चन और पूछना है. फिर एक और मतलब एक बढ़िया फन फैक्ट दिखाऊंगा.
This one more product actually.
What do you think? Manu is saying something. Did you say something? Manu?
No, I'm with him. There's one more thing we want to show you.
Okay.
दिखाना है क्या सबको? देखना है. Everyone is available on the meet. अब एक चीज दिखाना चाहता हूं सबको मैं. Give me a minute.
Sure.
आपको अच्छा लगा नहीं?
अरे क्या बोल रहे हो ब्रो. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बाउंटी जीत गए तुम लोग ऑलमोस्ट.
Just give me a minute. I just hate this thing. गैलरी आपको अपने लैपटॉप में मोबाइल में चलाना है लोकली.
मेरे मोबाइल में बोलो.
चलाना. स्कैन कर लो QR कोड. चला सकते हो राइट नाउ. इट इज लाइव. जस्ट स्कैन दिस QR कोड. एवरीवन इन द मीट जो भी चलाना चाहता है 10 मिनट के ओपन कर रहा है इसको. 10 मिनट में जो चला सकता चला लो.
भाई पीयूष फुल एकदम स्नेक ऑयल सेल्समैन ब्रो. रेडी है एकदम तू ब्रो.
स्कैन हो गया QR कोड.
भाई तू इधर चैट में भेज सकते हो क्या?
नहीं वो आने का. यू हैव टू जस्ट स्कैन द QR कोड. जस्ट स्कैन इट. उसको ना
I'll send it. मेरे पास है.
WhatsApp का QR कोड है.
यस जी. तो WhatsApp पे वर्किंग है. व्हाई टू गो टू एनी अदर ऐप वेबसाइट ऐप डाउनलोड करना. क्यों WhatsApp पे करो ना. WhatsApp पे चलाओ सब कुछ. तो यार
ए ब्रो दैट्स boys have smashed it. Good job. You have smashed. This is
Bot say really impressive.
Just give me a minute.
Good job. So we have like taken metas, this and all like proper API सब कुछ डाला हुआ है. सब किया हुआ है.
Is it working? Fine. बढ़िया.
हाँ चल रहा है. मैंने हे करके पूछा है.
हाय हेलो.
How can I save some tax?
कन्नड़ा नहीं चलता इतना. तो हिंदी इंग्लिश सब लैंग्वेज सपोर्ट है राइट नाउ. सब चला के देख लीजिए 24/7 अवेलेबल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है ये वाला मॉडल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है
हिंदी और ये नहीं है ना मलयालम वो सब नहीं है ना
नॉट दैट गुड
इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी है
इंग्लिश अच्छा है
हे सैवी
दिस
सेवर
इज वर्किंग ऑन मिस्ट्रल इट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट नो कॉस्ट एंड
can-
व्हाट्सएप का सर्वर तो नो सर्वर कॉस्ट आल्सो व्हाट्सएप का सर्वर
पर
यूज हो रहा
इसमें व्हाट्सएप में से मैं किया तभी इसने ये नहीं किया डेटा स्क्रैप नहीं किया
डेटा स्क्रैप नहीं करेगा बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मतलब मैंने बहुत एमवीपी बनाया वो मैंने फाइन ट्यून नॉर्मल मॉडल लगाया लेटेस्ट वाला नहीं है
पर मतलब मैं जस्ट कंफर्म कर रहा हूँ चीज को बता रहा हूँ
करने के कर सकता
व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर वो जो अभी अपना शालू नहीं चल रहा राइट
शालू नहीं चल रहा शालू इज लाइक द वेब ऐप क्योंकि उसके जैसे सिंपल देखो कि आई नीड द परमिशन टू स्क्रैप डेटा ना तो गूगल क्रोम चाहिए मुझे तो आपके मोबाइल पे गूगल क्रोम का एक्सेस तो मिलेगा नहीं लैपटॉप मोबाइल पे
तो अच्छा तो ये जब भी आप कर रहे हो तो वो अभी जैसे मैं कोई भी क्वेरी डालता हूँ फ्रंट एंड के ऊपर ठीक है तो अभी वो फ्रंट एंड जो है वो मेरे अगर
योर क्रोम मेरा क्रोम मेरे जो सर्वर पे AWS पे क्रोम चला ना वो
उस पे जा रहा है
हाँ जी
तो
उस पे
अगर
क्रोम पे सर्च
कोई भी अगर जैसे मैं हूँ और अगर मनु है तो मनु अपने यहाँ से लेके कर रहा है उधर कोई क्वेरी सेट कर रहा है और मैं यहाँ पे सेट कर रहा हूँ तो सब क्यूइंग का मैकेनिज्म सब बनाया हुआ है ना
नहीं this is just a very single basic
Yeah, it's like the bare minimum. It's just function. Somehow we made it functional. Yeah.
बॉयज
अरे अभी तो चालू मैंने लिखा था ना कि चलवा लो मेरे से ना क्रैश हो जाएगा अभी 10 मिनट पहले क्रैश हो गया चल नहीं रहा
थोड़ा काम बचा है बट आई थिंक वी हैव द थोड़ा काम बचा है फिर भी बट हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ बट हाँ वी हैव द फर्स्ट बाउंटी विनर्स गाइस लेट्स गो बॉयज एक मिनट बिफोर आई से दैट लेट्स सी अदर्स आल्सो बाकी लोग भी शायद सेम ही कर रहेंगे
ओके बट आई एम श्योर ये मेरा यूनिक होगा बिकॉज़ वो एआई फर्स्ट इंजन मैंने बनाया है लाइक आई came up with this idea AI first
very
engine.
good job Manu also good job Piyush also good
Thank
job
you. He is the man behind the whole front end मतलब ये पूरी रात भर के
गुड जॉब मनु तो काम ही कर रहे थे ब्रो मनु तो काम कर ही रहे थे आई सॉ हिम
Yeah. But the model man, the brain man is Piyush.
Good job. Great circle high fives. Good.
Thank you.
Let's continue. ठीक है मैं बाकी लोग का भी देखता हूँ. I'm sorry I got excited and declared the bounty, but let's see other.
No How we can connect to you guys?
To us.
WhatsApp.
And LinkedIn? Anything?
I am only available on Twitter, guys. Twitter पे.
क्या नाम? Username?
Let me find my ID here.
ठीक है इधर चैट में डाल दो. WhatsApp पे नहीं हो तो.
भाई WhatsApp वाले नंबर पे स्पैम मत करना गाइस प्लीज.
अरे कोई स्पैम नहीं कर रहा है ब्रो ऐसा सब क्या बात कर रहा है इतना मत लोड ले बाउंटी जीता है तो अभी तक शांति रखो मतलब
थैंक यू व्हाट अबाउट द मेन ट्रैक उसमें भी है ना कुछ
नहीं उसमें अवार्ड है सिर्फ मेरे तरफ
चलेगा
कैसा मैं अवार्ड दूंगा कि दिस गाय क्रिप्टो इनोवेटर या गवर्नेंस इनोवेटर
दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम कमिंग टू बैंगलोर अभी
अच्छा तू बैंगलोर में हो
या
फिर आए क्यों नहीं जो हाउस क्यों नहीं आए
आया हूं मतलब मैं कल रात को आया था बट मैं सोने के लिए अपनी सिस्टर के घर पे विजिट कर रहा था
मिले भी ना चले गए
रात को आया था मैं 2 बजे बैंगलोर लैंड हुआ 2 बजे में
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं
या
बट गाइस ओवरऑल गुड जॉब
थैंक यू
गुड जॉब आई थिंक या नेक्स्ट हु वुड लाइक टू प्रेजेंट गाइस बाकी लोग एक बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज दे दो पीयूष और मनु को गाइस लाइक
थैंक यू गाइस थैंक यू
जैनी यस
बाय बाय how do I close my screen
Jaini yes you have to say something no okay no problem I think
Hello.
on
Can we present?
yeah please go ahead
Yes.
Hi Jyotirmay, hi Ashusri. Nice to see you.
Oh,
hello.
Hello.
So 3 of my teammates are present today in the meet. So the presentation we will be giving, 3 of us will be giving the presentation. So let's first start with our presentation. So the name of our group is 2.5 Brain, 3 of us. You have to guess where we have to have brain. So next, for the next slide. The tech stack that we used are Next.js for the front end, Fast API for the backend server, and Cloud Trio Opus for our API and NLP tags. The basic architecture that we are following is, as you can see, firstly the client server architecture, then the front end, backend, and NLP integration. You all can have a look here. Then the basic flowchart. Our model will be firstly starting with our user interface, which is done in Next.js. Then it would automatically connect with backend API. We have, as I've already mentioned, we have used Fast API for it. Our API endpoints, here there is our API endpoints and NLP integration using Claude 3 Opus. After that, we can do user interaction through our UI. So here one is the user interacting with the chatbot, and the other is the chatbot responding back to the user. And at the end, we have deployed our backend in Render and our front end in Vercel. So not taking much more time with the slides, so we want to go ahead with the deployment part with our live project.
So our front end is deployed on Vercel, and then we have our backend. It is running on Render. This one. It is running here, the backend.
Okay, awesome.
And then we can type in any query to the front end, and then it will interact with the backend, which is running on Render, and then it will give something feedback. And then we also have FAQs, like to ask about anything that we may, and then we'll get a reply from the backend.
So, can we like ask questions while the demo is going on?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So right now we are directly querying ChatGPT API.
No, it is Claude 3 Opus API.
Okay, it is Cloud Opus API. We are querying
yes,
that, and it is giving a response, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, we have not added any particular web scraping or stuff like that, right? This is
Actually, we tried to integrate scraping, but then with LangChain and Claude, we had some difficulties.
Issues. Like for the tuning part, Claude API like recently removed the object for fine tuning. That's why we got stuck
no
yesterday.
problem. So that is one first question I had. Second question I had regarding this is that is it directly taking some particular policies, or is just taking whatever knowledge that Opus has and just storing that out?
It is displaying what Opus has and then
already has, no?
Serving it.
Okay. No problem. Great, bro. Good project. Bro. Please continue your presentation.
Yeah, sure. We can ask about anything about what new policies and. Then it will give about some of them.
Okay, so okay, it is 2020. It is showing.
Yeah, it is little outdated.
No, very outdated.
Yeah.
Very outdated. Yeah, great implementation, guys. Great implementation. 1 second.
We tried to fine tune it using the latest text, but वो किसी limitation की वजह से हुआ नहीं और वही मतलब fine tune करने का try किया last night, but वही थोड़ा limitations आया क्योंकि ये maybe जो LLM है Claude API का तो उन्होंने थोड़ा restrict कर दिया था ये fine tuning वाला part जो हमें बाद में पता चला.
कोई बात नहीं मतलब अपने फ्रंट एंड बना दिया है इसका पूरा सिस्टम बना दिया है इट्स लाइक क्रिएटिंग वन फंक्शन ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट एंड डूइंग इट नो इट्स लाइक great implementation, guys. Is there more to present?
No, that's it. And then if you want, we can also look at the GitHub code from here. And that's about it.
I think overall, guys, great job. Good job. Ashishri, good job. Devashish, good job. Jyotirmay.
Thank you.
Crazy. No, it is. The thing is, you all will feel कि ये क्या है, like if you have not completed stuff like that. Building things in like less than 48 hours and showing as output is legendary. It's like India. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. मतलब ये सब होता नहीं है बड़े बड़े कंपनीज में भी डेवलपर्स को बहुत टाइम लगता है चीजें एक्चुअली में एमवीपी बना के लाने को यहाँ पे हम कर पा रहे हो भी इतने कम टाइम में इतने कम कॉन्स्टेंट्स में खुद से सब कुछ करके दैट इज अ रियल टैलेंट एंड होपफुली आई ये मतलब दिस जस्ट इज द बिगिनिंग व्हिच द प्लेटफॉर्म दैट आई वांट टू क्रिएट फॉर यू इधर से आगे मैं लेके जा पाऊंगा आप लोगों को भी बड़े कंपनीज में हो गया बड़े स्टार्टअप्स में हो गया दैट इज माय गोल सो गुड जॉब गाइस थैंक यू सो मच मैन थैंक यू
thank you
so much we also thoroughly enjoyed.
I'm glad you enjoyed. So I think who is left for the presentations now? Yes, Vansh, please go ahead.
Yeah, so hey everyone, my name is Vansh and I'm with my teammate Smith. I'm 18 and he's 19. I'm a gap year student, and he goes to college for the first year. So, like, let me share my screen. Wait.
You said you are a gap year student.
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, make sure you apply for the Thiel Fellowship. Everyone who is here who's below 23.
Dude.
Yeah, what?
I'm just 1 month away.
From what?
I'm for the application. I'm halfway with the application.
Yeah, do it. I'm a finalist of Thiel Fellowship from India.
What?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. Crazy.
Thiel Fellowship. You all have to apply.
So, yeah, can you see the screen? Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead once.
Yeah. So we've made an AI concierge for Zohouse and Zostels. So all you can do is get customer cares. You can ask for queries and even book for events and book for appointments. So all you have to do is just let's say.
I can't see your screen. That the screen which you're I think demoing.
So we are using. Yeah.
I can't see your screen which you're demoing. I can see only my our own videos again.
Okay, wait now.
No, even now, bro.
Okay, wait a second.
Nikhil, you don't have to do that, bro. That's not allowed. Sorry.
No, that's for the video.
Acha. Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, how about now?
Now we can. Oh, wait, bro. That's something cool. Wait. Content. 1 second.
So we have used a UI library in Python called Flet. So what it does is it just packages Flutter into Python. So you can use all your Python packages and just use the cool UI elements from Flutter and even ship anywhere. It's just one platform and you can ship to iOS, Android, Windows, a Mac, anywhere. So this is an AI concierge for ZoWorld. So all you can do is you can ask for queries, you can book appointments, and check out the prices of Zostels. Even get suggestions from based on the requirements about locations and your price ranges anywhere between. So let me just give you a demo.
Can I wait? Arey.
Yeah.
I think can you go there? So you put hello, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When you said hello, it says how can I help you with ZoWorld events?
So let's say I
No, bro. No. See, there are few things that you need to implement on this. I think you didn't have a word with. This is I think Adarsh had a word with the product manager at ZoWorld. So you have to.
Kushal, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. You have to talk with Kushal. It has to say Zozo.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah. No problem, bro. Go ahead.
Okay, sure. So let's say I wanna look for Zostel in Goa, let's say in a place with beaches. So it will. So what we're doing is I've made a Python package that's similar to LangChain, and all you can use GPT-4 for free with that. So if you want, you can just check pip install Neurum if you want.
Right.
I'll just chat. Wait.
Can you take? Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
Can you?
So let's say
1 second. So when you put in, I wanna look for a Zosh in a place with beaches.
Yeah. So it suggested proximity to beaches are located in Goa and Visakhapatnam. To book a room in Goa, the current rate is $699, which it fetches the information from the Zostel website and uses it as context. And Visakhapatnam at 649. So let's say you just add your name and your contact. Let's say this is your contact. Your event name is let's say AI Mayhem, and date let's say 24th April 2024. And as you submit, we have it updates the information in a JSON format, so you can just port it into any of your backend, maybe Supabase or anything similar to that. It's very versatile. Yep, and that's it. So what we are planning to do is even adding function calling features, which will allow you to book events at Zoo houses, and even there are a lot of things to do now. We have future plans with real-time connection with Zovert's backend and location-based recommendation system. Yeah, that's it.
Awesome. That's really good vision, bro. Great execution also. Big round of applause for Vansh. And who is your teammate, Vansh? Smith and Vansh. Good job. So I think here Adarsh also has made the Zoo World concierge. Okay. Both of yours is good, but I think Adarsh has done some more work in terms of actually talking to this and that. So I'll tell you my decision and everything, what is going to happen next, everything. But overall, good job, Vansh. And good job to you too, man.
Thanks so much.
It's important to good that you finished it. I'm really
Thanks a lot. If anyone has questions, I'm open.
What was that Flutter thingy you said? Flutter Python thingy you said?
So it's a library called Flet. So what it does is it packages Flutter components into Python. So
Flet.
you can write, Flet, F-L-E-T.
F-L-E-T.
So so you can just write Python code and you can get all the fruity features of Flutter.
Yeah, super, bro. Thank you for that new information. Others, if you all can use it, really good. I think, is there anyone left with the presentations?
अब मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन था वंश,
Yes, sir.
आपने ये न्यूरम आपने बनाया है पैकेज?
हाँ, मैंने बनाया ये.
इसमें क्या क्या होता है?
So currently it has generate feature. Working on chat completion. इसके अंदर शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी, लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी. इसके अंदर अपने आप आपको पूरा RAG जो है ना, रिट्रीवल ऑगमेंटेड जनरेशन, वो आपको खुद नहीं, कहीं अपने आप ही इसके अंदर एक फीचर आ जाएगा. इसके बाद इसके अंदर रियल टाइम इंटरनेट है, जिसके अंदर ये इंटरनेट को जैसे शालू ने किया द सेम वे, पूरे इंटरनेट से ये इन्फॉर्मेशन स्क्रैप कर सकता है एंड यू कैन गेट रियल टाइम इन्फो ऑफ एनीथिंग. प्लस इसके अंदर हम क्रोमा डीबी एम्बेड किया है, तो आपको बहुत सारे फीचर्स है विद लेट्स से लैंग चेन. मैंने ये चीज की है कि लैंग चेन में जिसमें आपको 100 लाइन का कोड लगता है, इसके अंदर आपको मैक्सिमम 10 लाइन का कोड लगेगा.
न्यूरम गाइस, न्यूरम
फैंटास्टिक.
घर से बना हुआ पैकेज है दोस्तों. अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करो, अपने इसमें
आपको यूज करना. If anyone wants, you can just put in your emails and I'll hand you a few free API keys if you want to check it out.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. In-house.
Where can I should I just put my email ID in the chat or should I DM you?
Sure. Yeah. You can DM me at
the WhatsApp. Put it in the WhatsApp group, no, so everyone can see it. Anyways.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. But a good job with Neurum also.
Can you explain it again about the Neurum? Actually, I was disconnected. Can you?
I'll tell you. Let me tell you so that correct me once if I'm wrong. So basically, we have an in-house replacement for LangChain. So Neurum, as what one says, that it is 10x, it takes 10x less code for you to set up Neurum and use it in your chatbot. So yeah,
that would have been helpful 2 days before.
Bro, dude, it was his Brahmastra, bro. How will he give it before?
No problem, dude. There's no competition, dude. I want everyone to win.
Yeah.
So, hey guys, I got an idea. What if I connect Flet with Neurum and you don't have to worry about the UI and you get all the inputs and outputs and auto UI? How about that?
That would be.
मैं इन हूँ. कोई भी मेरी हेल्प चाहिए हो, मैं इन हूँ.
Done भाई. WhatsApp ग्रुप पे हो ना आप?
हाँ.
आप अभी कॉलेज में?
मैं पिंग करता हूँ.
Sure, भाई. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks, Roshan. Amazing opportunity, भाई. मजा आ गया.
This is the least I could do. Believe me, मतलब मैं ये मुझे अच्छे से ना, मैं वही बाउंटी सब कुछ सही से करके, ताकि मुझे नेक्स्ट वाला करना है, which will be like a 6-hour hackathon, extreme intensive. मतलब मॉन्स्टर एनर्जी से अपन स्पॉन्सरशिप लेके आ जाएंगे, रेड बुल से लेके आ जाएंगे. हाँ, वो करेंगे अपन नेक्स्ट अभी प्रॉपर. ये ठीक है, सिर्फ मजा है. बट आई हैव द कंक्लूजन आई हैव कम टू इज दैट you don't really need 48 hours. I think if the intensity is high and if you're in the same place, everybody's sitting here, or even if it is online, try to keep it offline and fly all of you in. But if you
I saw that. मैंने अपना स्क्रीन टाइम चेक किया, मेरा 7 घंटे में ही बनाई है.
देखा, मैं बोला नहीं, मैं इस पे श्योर हूं ब्रो कि 6 घंटे में इतना. और मैं भी मतलब I'll be here also ना, constantly to keep the vibe alive.
Dude, Red Bull is the sponsor. What are you saying?
हाँ, तो करना पड़ेगा.
इसलिए 6 घंटा काफी है. चलो, thanks a lot, भाई. I'll give time for other people.
Definitely. Looking forward to see you all again. Is there anyone left for the presentation? Speak now or forever hold your silence. प्रणदीप ब्रो, तू क्या कर रहा है? कौन सी टीम में था प्रणदीप? Pranadeep, my thing is just.
Bro, I am working on Tangram, bro.
Bro, where is Tangram?
Bro, I already sent you a video, bro. Today I have exam, bro. So
You can't demo it.
no, bro. So
Okay, I'll wait. Say 1 second. I'll see your this and I'll demo it for you, bro.
yes. Thank you, bro.
Hey, mention. You have DM'd it to me on WhatsApp or
In group I send it, bro.
okay? 1 second. Oh, so it's not a Loom, right?
Bro, sorry.
You have not sent a Loom video, right?
I send it you, bro.
You sent a normal
Yes,
video, right?
no, Loom link only, bro.
Loom link, though I can't see, bro.
I
on the
will
group,
resend it.
group.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me check.
Actually, I don't have prior experience in AI, bro. So I built an ML model.
Arey, no problem, bro. We all begin somewhere. It's okay. Yeah. So now we're going to see Pranadeep's presentation of the Tangram.
Hi everyone, I am Pranadeep and I am an undergrad student at KL University. Actually, I don't have prior experience in AI, but I developed a machine learning model to generate diagrams. In this machine learning model, I am using K nearest neighbor model and Tangram dataset from Kaggle. Let me show you the dataset. This is the dataset. In this, it has so many subfolders named as bat, board1, cat1, chicken, crane, etc. So it has in this subfolder, each subfolder has so many images for the tangrams. We will use it for training the model. And after training this model and tuning the hyperparameters like K, in this K nearest model, K nearest neighbor model, K is the hyperparameter we need to tune to optimize the model further. So let me show you demo. After running this model, yeah, this is the tangram generator. In this section, we need to give some word like horse. After clicking the generate tangram button, it will show you the tangram which resembles the real life image of that word. Then as you see before, you will get this type of image. Because of that, the model generates SVG format of that image to optimize further or to visualize clearly. So this is my project. I will upgrade this further by using this one. In this code, I created a app, Tangram generator app. In this, after giving the word, it will generate resemble image of that word by using this with feature extractor and TF auto model by using transformers library. So after that, generate tangram from image function uses the generated image to generate a tangram resembles that image, and it will uses the both the tangram generated for the image and the generated image for the code. Thank you. This is the name.
My God.
Hi everyone. I am Pranadeep and I am an undergrad student at K.
Bro, good job. Extremely good job. My bro has actually trained a ML model. And I think as of now, it is, if I'm not wrong, so it is basically, since we already have the folders with all the, like the animal and all these names, the model is actually searching for the text, if it is a cat, which does it belong to, and then displaying it there, right?
Yeah, bro. And then in second code, I developed a model. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
In that model, it will use API, bro. OpenGL API or like that.
Okay. So right now, diffusion is not happening, right?
Oh, no, bro, no.
Okay. But even then, this is also really good. Great attempt, guys. Pranadeep, good job once again, bro. Superb. Very good. we have somebody who actually made a model of their own. This is really good. I think Pranadip, you are also one of the few people who is kinda eligible for the bounty. I think we have to talk with Optimistic Capital once, that what do they think of your project as of now. But I think, yeah, we have second person who is kinda eligible for the bounty. Let's go, guys. Pranadip Talavanchi from KL University. Let's go. Superb. Proud of you, man. I think with this, I wanted to take like a nice picture of that. 1 second. So what happened with the cat thing? Pranadip?
Bro, as you know, that is the ML model I developed.
Hmm.
Initially, I show you the Tangram dataset, no?
Hmm.
In that cat 1 and cat 2, I gave the text, bro, for the subfolder. So if we want to generate the Tangram for cat model, cat image, so we need to give cat 1 and cat 2 as a word input.
The word input, no? Okay. So right now, even now, yeah. So the next step would be to like figure out a way to put this into like some diffusion models, and then like fine tune it with this LoRa thingy. And I'm like not expecting you to do it like be able to do it so fast. But even then, this is really good, man. Class job.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. 1 second, I'll just put this on Twitter as well. So I've created a thread. If you all don't know, secretly I am posting some screenshots of each of the project onto a thread. Done. This is done. So that I can write a nice Twitter thread with tagging like your GitHub profiles and your Loom videos. So is there anyone else? Is there anyone else left with the presentations? Pranadip also is done. Nikhil is done. Kishore is he's holding his silence. Kishore. Hey Kishore, I think you're messaging. Do you have a demo to show? Presentation? You have shared the demo video. 1 second.
Roshan bro, those guys are traveling.
Okay, no problem. I'll put on Kishore's MK's video. We have Block Chat AI, which is a DGen analyst. Oof, let's go. Sharing my screen. Second. No, Pranadip, only I think you have picked up on the Tangram project. It's only you.
GM guys, this is Kishore with my teammates Mukesh, Kishore and Surya from Team Demata. We have been working on Region Analyst AI and we have built up a chatbot AI called BlockChat AI, and it can track real-time prices of cryptocurrencies based on user prompts, and it also can get transaction details of token address. For investors, it can also suggest investing on current market trends with a graph of price history. So let me give you guys a quick demo. Like I'm asking for the price of Dogecoin. So it returns reply.
1 second. I'll take a screenshot of this.
From a prompt, and for investors, should I?
No, just put just can wait. Acha, this is a demo video. I forgot.
So it
Yeah,
is
just realized that.
approximate price history chart, and we have used CoinGecko API for this, and for the transaction details model. We have used Etherscan. So for this project, we have used two models, both GPT 3.5 and Gemini 1.5 Pro. So as you can see, I'm getting a reply on my prompt. So it is suggesting me to buy because of this bullish trend.
Nice.
So users can also check for compare prices of multiple cryptocurrencies.
This is happening. Achha, I can't ask questions also.
So as you can see, it gives the result. As well as they can also consider giving an input of expensive among the given currencies. So for the transaction details thing, we can go and do Etherscan and get a random transaction address. So I'm copying this one.
Damn, before that, good job. Before this is pre-completion of a demo. You're already impressed.
So it validates the given address with the Etherscan API and gives us the transaction details. This model works on Gemini. So yeah, as you can see, it gets block number and from and to wallet addresses and some other stuff.
Let's go,
So,
boys! One more bounty
we couldn't get our hands on GPT-4 API, so we have used 3.5 for this one. And using 3.5 function calling was a bit hard. To get real-time data, and using Etherscan and CoinGecko, we were able to do this.
And talking about the future scopes of this project, we have aimed to do
See, even that is part of the demo. Fuck.
the transaction via chatbot, the cross-chain transactions, bridging between the network, and many other features with a zero gas fee. That is our main aim to include in this, and due to the limited time, we are unable to do that. But in future, we'll be sure we'll make that. And thank you, guys.
Marvelous, super good job. You all have smashed it out of the park, guys. This is great. I think this is not part of the script. Not part of the script. No, this is me speaking. I think you actually are. I think 90. I think the bounty person will say yes to this, right? This is what the person wanted. I think this is the first proper bounty. Hey, let's go, Kishore. Good job, man. I'll get the person to have a word with you also. Okay? Good job, Kishore. And who was the other person with you? Was talking? Mahesh. Surya. Does Mukesh. Who are the team? Kishore, Mukesh, and Surya Pandyan. Is Surya also part of the team?
Yes.
I think then it's awesome, guys. Mukesh, Kishore, and Surya, you all have kicked it out of the park. Congratulations on winning the first bounty, almost winning. Let me confirm. But guys, this is great presentations. Overall, all of you have killed it with your projects. Getting this done in 48 hours, you all are legends. Nobody should talk you out of it. This is just the beginning of what you can do. Just like take in the world that is we are like the world that we have right now. Opportunities like this will keep coming at you. It is the great for you to actually complete your opportunity, present yourself, and you have done that very well. I'm proud of each one of you. irrespective of what bounties you get or not, I'll try to do something for you. But this is insane, guys. Thank you so much. Great, good job once again. So proud of each one of you. Is there anyone left for the presentation? I think there is no one. Is there something, since this is a live stream, is there something that you want to say? Last, yeah, yes. Thank you so much, Syed. If you send it to me on WhatsApp or on Instagram, I'll promote it on my Instagram as well. Put a story. So please go ahead. Good job. Please. Hmm. Awesome. Thank you for that initiative, man. It really means a lot. It's part of my mission to do it. So I'll please send it to the group. I'll make sure that you have some good people, good exposure. Good job. Thank you. I think if that is it, is there anything someone else wants to ask, or is there final thoughts, anything like that? Please go ahead. Next video call we'll have would be for the prize distribution, or like whoever has won the prize and stuff like that. I'll take today's time. Today I will connect all of you who is eligible for the bounties with each of the bounty givers, so that yeah, I'll tell you what next AI. But before that, let me complete this. So today what I'll do is that at the end of the day, I'll make you talk to the bounty givers, each one of them, whoever is no, not everyone, but whoever is eligible, at least I'll make sure I talk, and I'll get them also to say some words for you of encouragement or what are the next steps ahead. So I'll do that, and tomorrow I'll declare the winners same on a video call, and also on the Twitter thread as well, plus my Instagram stories and post or whatever. Okay. No, participate certificate and all. No, I'll sit with the organization team, and I have to actually sign it and stuff. Not sure I'm going to send it to you offline, right? So I'll do create like a PDF or something like that and sign it and send it to you. Let me sit with the team. That is send it to. I'll ask for your emails, obviously. I think we already have your phone numbers with your this, but a participant certificate, everybody who's participated and who has presented the demo will get that for sure. That is why I created a thread for you, like already a thread which every participant's presentations. So I think that can be used ahead for all my logging and everything like that. But overall, guys, good job. Next AI Mayhem hackathon would be announced soon, and hopefully we'll do it something a little more crazier and more intense. But yeah, thank you, Zozo, guys. Zozo. See you again. Bye bye. Have had a great time with you. We'll keep in touch in the WhatsApp group. Hey, thank you, Nikita. I'll put all the updates in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Looking forward to see you all again. Bye bye, Zozo. A great time. Bye. Good job, boys. शालू वाले ने तो खेल गया ना शालू
शालू वाला मस्त था
शालू खेल गया
इंटरफेस भी बहुत मस्त था सर बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था सर
अभी भी सर बोलते तुम लोग फिर क्या मतलब
सर लगता है
कैन कॉल मी चीफ रिस्पेक्ट ही करना है तो नहीं तो रोशन बोल सकते हो लेट्स गो ब्रो अपने को सब मिल गया 7-8 प्रोजेक्ट हो गया अपने इसमें
थैंक यू सर
तुम लोग सब लोग जॉब वो सब करने के इंटरेस्टेड हो ना मेरे को ग्रुप में कंफर्म कर देना हम लोग जो है मेरे को सब लोगों का प्रोफाइल्स बनाना है और मेरे जो पीयर ग्रुप है मेरे फाउंडर्स का उनमें भेज दूंगा मैं सब
चलेगा
ठीक है
we are open to internships and everything
सब कुछ ना ब्रो
yeah
गुड जॉब मैन अच्छा
कुछ भी अपॉर्चुनिटी भी हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं
सुपर भाई गुड जॉब भाई कहाँ से हो हर्ष बैंगलोर से तो नहीं हो
ना हम महाराष्ट्र से ही है
मराठी आहे ना तू
येते मला
मराठी आहे
हो
कोचर म्हणजे कुठून आला
मी जैन आहे मारवाडी
मारवाडी
हो
महाराष्ट्र में सेटल
हो settled.
मैंने गुजराती पण खबर जेवा तू मैं करता था ब्रो मैं पहले गुजरात में था
आप क्या एजुकेशन कहाँ से हुआ स्टडीज
मुंबई सब बॉर्न इन